Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Market Reebok collaboration classic leather pump. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown up our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the collaboration between the streetwear brand Market and the classic brand Reebok. So we got a look at their classic leather pump in a UK size 7.5. It's a European 41 and it is a US 8.5. Just want to show the box before I unbox it. So typically Reebok usually do like brown boxes, the classics especially, but it's in this blue one, and you've got the Market logo on the box. And just to show you right here, pretty dope sneaker. I'm a big fan of Reebok. I've said it many times in our videos. I'm a big fan of a lot of sneakers, but Reebok in particular, because it's kind of unique. It's not Nike, it's not Adi, it's Reebok. This sneaker in and of itself actually is a collaboration between Reebok, because this uses elements of the Reebok pump and the Reebok classic leather. We'll get into all that details soon, but we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a rubber outsole. It's used the CL leather patterning. So if you're familiar with the Reebok CL leather, this is what the patterning looks like. The midsole unit is an EVA foam. So it's a typical cushioning you find in a lot of sneakers. And we look at the upper. So this upper is the shape, uses a lot of the paneling from the Reebok CL leather, but it's not made out of leather this time. It's a lot of textile materials, loads of textile patternings and panels that are kind of woven around each other, and it's like ribbed, I wouldn't say. That's the kind of like effect it's gone for, but you can still see the Reebok vector, especially on the lateral side. It's also there on the medial side also, but where it's different and why it's called a pump is because of the pump and the tongue. So usually you'd find the pump tongue on a Reebok pump. This time it's quite different because it's on a pair essentially on the CL leather. So for those that are not in the know, the Reebok pump is a system where you pump it up by simply pressing this basketball in the middle, and it makes the tongue bigger, so it will kind of like fit to how you want it to. And this little shape here, like trapezium, I think that's it. That's what it's called. Press that to release the air, and that's the Reebok pump. It's quite different because you got the name of the sneaker, classic leather, in the pump lettering, which I'm used to seeing. You say the pump from Reebok, and you got the Market lettering as well on the tongue in the same font. You've got flat laces, the white. The tongue itself obviously uses the pump technology, but it's essentially an exposed foam, so you can see it there. And one thing I forgot to mention is if you look at the lateral side, instead of the typical Reebok logo with the Union Jack, you've got the Market lettering there. It comes in this like beautiful wine red and gold colorway, so you can see the hits. It's almost made of Cleveland Cavaliers. And at the back, so on the left hand side, it says Reebok with the vectors and the paneling, and you got on the right Market, the pump. Again, it uses the same textile materials. The insole, you got foam insole, no branding unfortunately, but this is quite different when I think of a pair of Reeboks. Like I mentioned, this is kind of a collaboration between Reebok themselves, because they've incorporated the Reebok pump with the Reebok classic leather, which is a go-to in my opinion. Very unique and take, great colorway. I love the Reebok pump as well. I love Reebok, here for the Bok Boys. If Brenda Dunn is watching, and we know that you are, shout out the Bok Boys. All that said, let's try these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, sometimes I get a size down to what I usually wear. So that being a UK size 7 for some Reeboks. That is what I wore for the Club C's. We've done a review, do check that out if you get a chance. But these, we got a UK size 7.5. It kind of helps, like it has the pump technology, so just pump it up. And the top of my foot will be adjusted for the fit. And I can take out as well, just go on a little, if I don't want it as tight, just you can adjust it there. It's a whole big thing about the Reebok pump, which is dope. And these look really cool on as well. Very lightweight. You got the big pump, and you know what you're wearing when you're wearing a seal leather. Iconic design. If you're wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of parachute joggers from Uniqlo. We're not sponsored from Uniqlo. If anyone from Uniqlo is watching, we know that you are. Hit your boys up with some goodies. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.